Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 22nd August 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 7. Name of the chapter is Types of Houses. So student, after completing the explanation of the chapter, in the previous video I started the book exercises of the chapter. Now see student, we have completed question number A. Tick the correct answer. We have completed this question in our book. Now today we will start with the question number B. Fill in the blanks. Now the first question is houses on the plains have dash. So when we build a house, it depends upon three factors. That is, first is the weather, second is the material available, and third is the economic condition. It means how much money you can spend for making the house. So now houses on the plains. Now we in the plains, which type of a houses are built? So in the plains, the houses which are built that having a flat roof. Is it clear? The roof of the house is flat in the plain areas. So houses on the plains have flat roof. Houses on the plains have a flat roof. Now question number 2. Dash are the dash are the native people dash are the native people of the Arctic region. Dash are the native people of Arctic region. So Arctic is which type of a area? So in Arctic region, see student, the land is always covered with the snow. Okay, here throughout the year the land is covered with the snow and the temperature in this area is in -degree. Okay, below 0 degree you can say the temperature in the Arctic region, and that is the reason the population in this area is also very less, because living condition is very difficult. And dash are the native people of the Arctic region. What does it mean? It means that the people who are living in the Arctic region, they are known as Eskimos. Okay, the people who are living in the Arctic region, they are known as Eskimos. Third question. Types of. Third question is question number 3. Dash were the first to make mud houses. Dash were the dash were the first to make mud houses. So dash were the first to make mud houses. So mud houses, first time the mud houses are made by the Egyptians. People of Egyptian, they are the first one who made the mud houses. So Egyptians were the first to make mud houses. Note down the answer. You can also take a screenshot also. Now next question. Question number C. Match the following. Question number C. Match the following. Question number 1. Igloos. Second, houseboat. Third one, skyscrapers. These are multi-story buildings. Stilt houses. Wooden houses. Big cities. Meghalaya. Then Japan. Arctic region. Kashmir. So match the column. So igloos. So igloos are the houses which are made of ice slabs and this type of a houses you will find in the Arctic region, because this area is always covered with the snow throughout the year. So and the temperature is always below 0 degree. So that is the reason people who are living in the Arctic region, they start making the houses with the slabs of the ice, because temperature is always in -degree, and that is the reason the snow never melts there, and this is the reason the people living in that area start making the houses with the slabs of ice. So igloos is the houses which are made of slabs of ice. So it is in the Arctic region. These type of houses are found where? These type of houses are found in the Arctic region. Now second option is houseboat. Okay, one time I read the match the column, then I explain you. This is column A: igloos, houseboat, skyscrapers, stilt houses, wooden houses. Big cities: Meghalaya, Japan, Arctic region, Kashmir. So igloos are the houses which are made of a ice slabs, and it is found in which region? It is found in Arctic region. Okay, here the weather is very cold and this area is covered by the snow throughout the year. That is the reason people make the houses with the slab of ice, and igloos houses, ice houses are found in Arctic region. Now houseboat. See, house on boat, these are which type of a houses? These are known as a floating houses. ठीक है, आपको पता ना बेटा, रिवर्स में बोट फ्लो करती है, ठीक है, तो इन्हें फ्लोटिंग हाउसेस भी बोला जाता है. एंड इन आवर कंट्री यू विल फाइंड हाउस बोट इन 2 रीजन्स. एक तो आपको केरला में हाउस बोट्स मिल जाएंगे देखने के लिए बेटा, एंड अनदर प्लेस इज कश्मीर. So Kerala is not given in the option, but Kashmir is given in the option, because houseboat you will find houseboat in 2 regions. That is, one is Kerala and another is the Kashmir. But Kerala is not given in the match the column. So we will match houseboat with Kashmir. Is it clear? Now next is the skyscrapers. Skyscraper, these are the, what are these? These are the multi-store buildings. Many families live together. Okay, many families live together in this multi-store buildings. So student, these types of a multi-store buildings you will find in the which area? In big cities, because now in present time the population is very large, and पॉपुलेशन क्या है बेटा, बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है, ठीक है, और स्पेस जो लैंड है वो कम होता जा रहा है, क्योंकि हमने लैंड को ऑक्युपाइड कर दिया डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ में, ठीक है. जैसे हम ह्यूमन बीइंग हम हाउस में रहते हैं, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हाउस जो बिल्ड कर रहे हैं वो भी तो लैंड पे ही बिल्ड कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. इसके लिए दैट इज़ द रीज़न हमने बहुत ज़्यादा डिफॉरेस्टेशन किया, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा कटिंग्स ऑफ ट्रीज़ की, और बाय कटिंग द ट्रीज़ द लैंड को हम लोग ने क्या किया, फ्री किया. तो that is the reason now the land is less. So now many peoples, now these types of a skyscrapers with multi-store building you will see in the big cities, in which many families live together. Okay, so skyscrapers you will see this in the big cities. Is it clear? Next है stilt houses. So student, this type of houses you find in that area where there is a heavy rainfall, and every year the floods comes in these types of area. Okay, so that is the reason, because when the flood comes, then loss of human life also take place, and human property is also damaged due to the flood. ठीक है, ह्यूमन प्रॉपर्टी का भी बहुत नुकसान होता है, मैनी पीपल die also at the time of a flood, because now so what the people who are in that region, what do the people do, they give wooden pole support to their house. उन्होंने अपने हाउसेस को क्या किया, वुड का सपोर्ट दिया, वुडन पोल से सपोर्ट किया, और हाउस क्या है, अबव द ग्राउंड बनाया. हाउस को अबव द ग्राउंड बनाया। व्हेन द फ्लड कम सो डैट द फ्लड वाटर डू नॉट इंटर इनसाइड द हाउस। ओके, फ्लड का पानी नीचे से ही चला जाएगा। जो उन्होंने इसके लिए क्या किया, वुडन पोल का सपोर्ट दिया और हाउस को ग्राउंड से अबव बनाया, so that the flood water do not enter in their house. In this manner they can save their property also and their life also. So this type of still houses you will find in Meghalaya. ठीक है। Now last is a wooden house. So in this chapter हमने डिस्कस किया था कि अमेरिका के कोल्ड रीजन में जो है वो टोटली फॉरेस्ट एरिया है। दैट इज द रीजन पीपल बिल्ड हाउसेज विद द हेल्प ऑफ द वुडन हाउसेज बहुत ज़्यादा है वहाँ, बिकॉज दैट रीजन इज द फॉरेस्ट रीजन एंड प्लेंटी ऑफ वुड इज अवेलेबल। ओके, सो इन द कोल्ड रीजन द in America people make wooden houses, and wooden houses also these types of houses which are made of wood, they are warm also from the inside. Okay, so that is the reason, but here America is not given in the option. In the match the column here it is written Japan, so I nothing given about Japan in the chapter, but when I am teaching you about the wooden houses, at that time I explain you people living in Japan they build the houses, which type of houses they specially build, they build wooden houses, क्योंकि बेटा जापान में अर्थक्वेक बहुत ज़्यादा आता है और पक्के हाउसेस से बहुत ज़्यादा लाइफ और प्रॉपर्टी दोनों का डैमेज होगा। ठीक है, बहुत लोग दब के मर जाएंगे, प्रॉपर्टी का भी बहुत नुकसान होगा। इसलिए जापान में ड्यू टू द अर्थक्वेक सबसे ज़्यादा अर्थक्वेक जापान में आते हैं। दैट इज़ द रीज़न स्टूडेंट जापान के पीपल कैसे हाउसेस बनाते हैं, दे बिल्ड अ वुडन हाउसेस। यू कैन टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट। So now next is the houses are given। ठीक है, now in the next question you will see the picture, see type of a house, what is this, this is the, see observe the first picture, which type of a house this is known as a temporary house। Is it clear student, this is known as a temporary house, and this house is what are the material used in this house, that is the canvas or canvas cloth or nylon cloth, and poles and ropes are also used for making this temporary house। So in the first picture number, firstly I write the question number D, question number D, identify the types of house given below, also write the material, used in building type. Now, first picture I have already shown this picture to you. Type of house. So, in the first picture, you will see the first picture and you will tell which type of a house is this. So, this is a tent. So, which type of house is this? Is a type of house. This is tent. And next is building material. Building material. Building material. So, canvas, canvas floor, canvas floor, or nylon, and even poles and ropes are also used. Poles and ropes. Is it clear? So, building material is a canvas type of house. Which type of a house is this? This is the in the picture. The type of house is tent. And what are the material used? What are the material used for making such type of house? So, material used are canvas cloth or nylon cloth, poles and ropes. These are the material used for making this type of a house. Now, second picture. See, this is the second picture. So, which type of a house is this? Tilt houses. Okay. So, in the picture, you will see type of house. Type of house. Second one is type of house. Type of house is stilt house. Okay. And next thing is material used. Building material. Building material. Building material is wood. Okay, wood is used to make this type of a houses. Is it clear? Wood is used to make the stilt houses. Now, see the next picture. Yes, this is the picture of a skyscrapers. Okay, this is the picture of a skyscrapers. Multi-stored buildings. Okay, this is the picture of skyscraper, or you can say multi-stored buildings. Okay, so type of house, skyscraper, type of a house, skyscraper, and building material, bricks, cement, sand, iron rod, wood, extra. Okay. So third picture is a picture of a skyscraper, and what are the material used? That is the bricks, cement, sand, iron rod, wood. Extra wood is used for making the windows. विंडोज के फ्रेम बनाने के लिए वुड यूज होती है, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये जो स्काई स्क्रैपर होते हैं ये पक्के होते हैं, ठीक है. सो आयरन रॉड्स आर आल्सो यूज फॉर मेकिंग द पिलर्स, ठीक है, एंड इट इज एंड इन द रूफ द आयरन रॉड इज यूज इन द रूफ आल्सो, ठीक है. घर की जो छत होती है उसमें पूरे आयरन रॉड्स लगे होते हैं, इसीलिए छत इतनी ज़्यादा मजबूत होती है, स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है see the fourth picture. This is the fourth picture. What is this? This is house on wheel. So which type of a house is this? This is caravans, ठीक है. This is a picture. So type of house is fourth one, type of house. Fourth one is type of a house, that is caravans. Okay, and building material. Building material. Building material. So in the old time, in the past time बेटा बुल या हॉर्स को यूज किया जाता था, ठीक है, और अब प्रेजेंट टाइम में कार भी यूज हो रही है. सो बिल्डिंग मटेरियल में ओल्ड टाइम में आप लिख सकते हो कार, तो क्योंकि कार्ट को खींचने का पुल करने का काम ये क्या होते हैं, टाइप ऑफ हाउसेज कारवान. दीज आर हाउसेज ऑन व्हील्स, एंड इन द ओल्ड टाइम पास्ट टाइम हाउ दे आर पुल्ड, उन्हें कैसे मूव कराया जाता था, विद द हेल्प विद द बाय यूजिंग द एनिमल्स लाइक बुल एंड हॉर्स. बट इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम आप देखोगे कार्स भी यूज होते हैं, कार्स में व्हील्स होती हैं और इसको भी कारवान्स बोलते हैं, ठीक है. तो प्रेजेंट टाइम में आप लिख लो कार. ठीक है, प्रेजेंट टाइम में कार यूज होती है और ओल्ड टाइम में एनिमल यूज करते थे, जैसे बुल और हॉर्स को यूज करते थे, तो दैट इज किसको कार्ट्स यूज किया करते थे, ठीक है. बुलक कार्ट बोलते हैं ना, बैलगाड़ी, जो ओल्ड टाइम में, तो आप इसको यूज करते थे पहले, ठीक है. अब प्रेजेंट टाइम में ऐसा नहीं, प्रेजेंट टाइम में कार्स को यूज कर रहे हैं. तो नेक्स्ट है, तो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द बुक एक्सरसाइजेज. बेटा हमने सारी कंप्लीट करनी, ठीक है. अब हम आगे राइट शॉर्ट आंसर टू द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. राइट शॉर्ट आंसर टू द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डू हाउसेज इन हिलीज एरिया हैव स्लोपिंग रूफ, ठीक है. तो पहले आंसर डिस्कस कर लेते हैं आपसे, उसके बाद आई विल राइट. सो व्हाई हाउसेज इन अ हिली एरिया हैव स्लोपिंग रूफ, क्योंकि हिली एरियाज में बेटा स्नोफॉल भी बहुत होती है, ठीक है. हिली एरियाज में स्नोफॉल भी बहुत होती है बेटा, और रेन भी होती है, ठीक है. तो दैट इज द हाउसेज इन द हिली एरिया हैव ए स्लैंट, और यू कैन से स्लोपिंग रूफ, सो दैट द रेन वाटर एंड स्नो easily slip to the ground. Okay, thank you student. We will continue this chapter in the next video.